File system of Angular. When you create an Angular application, you use the Angular CLI command line interface. The CLI abstracts away much of the configuration and file management, making it easier to create, build, and maintain Angular applications. In an Angular project, the file system is organized in a specific way. Here's the folders and file structure for an Angular project. src, folder, node module, folder, angular.json, file, package.json, file. src folder. This directory contains the source code for your Angular application. The src directory comprises all the files and folders constituting the development source code of your Angular project. Inside the src directory, you'll find the following subdirectories and files: app, assets, index, styles, and main.ts. App. This is where your application code resides, including components, services, modules, and other files. Assets. The assets folder is designated for static elements such as images and fonts. Main.ts. The main.ts file serves as the primary entry point for an Angular application. It is the TypeScript file where the Angular application is bootstrapped. Index file. The index.html file acts as the main HTML file of your Angular application. Style file. The styles.css, or styles.scss file is where you define the global styles for your Angular application. Node modules folder. This folder contains all the third-party libraries and dependencies installed via npm. In Angular projects, it plays a crucial role in managing dependencies and ensuring that your application has access to all the libraries and modules it needs to run successfully. It's important to understand how package management works and to follow best practices for dependency management in your Angular projects. Angular.json file. The angular.json is a configuration file used in Angular projects to define various settings and configurations for your project. It is a key file that helps manage the build process, dependencies, and other aspects of your Angular application. Package.json file. The package.json plays a vital role in managing dependencies, defining project metadata, and facilitating various tasks in Node.js projects.